are here at Bunk Hotel in Utrecht. This is a beautiful renovated church into a very modern and youthful hotel or hostel. So we're gonna show you the lobby and then show you our rooms. It's so pretty, it's so pretty. Welcome back to discovering unique staycations in the Netherlands with Jazzie and Kiki of Chapter Fernweh. First up, we're visiting this beautiful church turned hostel, recently named Extraordinary Innovative Hostel of the Year by Hostel World. Bunk Hotel is arguably the hippest establishment we've had the pleasure of visiting. Afterwards, we'll be heading on over to Zwier to check out a place perfect for our glamping lovers.
Check-in time.
You're now officially checked in. How many keys do you need?
Select a blank key.
Oh, wait.
Wait. Is that a blank key? Send email.
Okay. Yay.
Wow.
Cheers. After settling in and checking out our rooms, we were invited on a tour to check out all of the facilities of Bunk Hotel as well as the different types of rooms and bunks they offer.
Over here we have the book area.
Okay. Oh wow, this is crazy.
Our room key is working.
So can lock your stuff safely. You have ventilation that you can control. The lights. These are the cleanest hostel showers I think I've ever seen. That's funny.
It is.
He has a sense of humor. Push it. Push it good. I'll push it real good.
You understand our jokes at least.
Yes.
Listen, you're gonna go into the organ. I'm so excited. Wow. Oh, it's so pretty. Whoa. And this is the original church organ, right?
Yes, they playing it monthly because it has to keep it. We have to keep it in shape. So we have a list of people who can play it, and they do it the last Saturday of the month. They play for a half hour.
Oh, that's so cool. we were famished and we heard great things about their restaurant, so we decided, let's have dinner here. All right, so we're eating. My thoughts are this chef probably can get a Michelin star. Good morning. We are on our way to get some breakfast, take some photos, and it's our last few hours in the Bunk Hotel. So. Alas, we must say goodbye. It was so lovely. The staff was wonderful and helpful and friendly. The food was amazing. And
Best food ever in a hostel.
honestly, it was like Michelin star, like so good. And yeah, the facilities were really lovely. So 10 out of 10 would recommend. We'll come again. Bye! We're in Zwier
In Vinkeveen.
which is in Utrecht province, but not the city.
Super close to Amsterdam.
Yeah. If you're longing for an escape from the fast city life, we know just the spot for you. Zwier, located in Vinkeveen, is a wonderful place to recharge by the water. They have it all, from boating to sailing and supping to canoeing. You can do what we did and stay in one of their beautiful bell tents, or opt for one of their luxurious harbor houses. But no matter where you stay, we guarantee you'll have a fun and lovely adventure. We get to have this fun task of taking all of the photos we need for the book in how much time? 30 minutes. So let's go. All right. You think you can do it? Yeah. Yeah, I know you can. This is a bit confusing, so let me explain. We were asked, Kirsten and I were asked to stay in their tent, to share that on our stories and stuff on Instagram, but to feature their house in our book. So when we arrived, they said you have 30 minutes to get all of the photos you need for the book. So Kirsten is working her magic. She did it with how many minutes to spare?
I don't know.
3.
Woohoo!
Killing it.
Hopefully.
So what are we gonna do now?
Rent a boat.
We are on our boat. We thought we were gonna get a yellow one, but they gave us a green one, which is cool because green is my personal favorite color.
Sad.
Yeah, this is pretty crazy to operate, as you can see. Like, oh shit.
Oh no, 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 no.
Oh no, 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 no. I'm so sorry. found a spot on the dock
Between all the tents. So cute. It's getting a little cold, but
it's enjoyable though. Cheers! We have this menu. Right now, it is about 5. Kiki, what time is it?
5:20.
5:20. And so we are going to enjoy the voorgerecht. What is voorgerecht? I don't even know.
I told you today.
It's like an appetizer?
Yeah, a starter.
A starter. She did tell me today, but I'm learning so much. I also learned that Dutch people call like lakes or ponds puddles. Plassen, which means puddles. So I'm learning a lot. But yeah, so we're gonna enjoy the starter and then the dinner.
Ons voorgerecht.
Super yummy soup. Coriander for her.
I don't even know what's in it.
Geen coriander for mine.
What is it? Mushroom soup?
Ooh, it's nice. It's like coconut.
Yeah.
Super nice. Good starter. One big plus, you don't have to do your dishes.
You pick it up from the table.
Yeah.
You walk. 1 minute. Not even 1 minute. And they'll wash it for you.
And you just,
Oh yeah. Easy peasy.
lemon squeezy. The food and drinks at Zwier are an important part of their story. They want to stimulate and inspire you to take good care of yourself and in turn the world around you. With their all-in packages, you can pick up breakfast, lunch, and a 3-course dinner every day of your stay at the kitchen in their living room. Each meal is vegetarian only and delicious. How convenient is it also to not have to worry about doing your dishes? It leaves you just with so much more time to play and enjoy your vacation. Hey, this is true relaxation at its finest.
This bed.
Let's talk about the bed. Why is this bed so cool?
Warm.
It's like an electric heated system or something. Like if you look over here. Okay, so here it controls it. Off, high, and then
A very nice and warm bed.
I'm not exactly sure how it works because it's not like those blankets, you know, the heated blankets that have those wires in them, you know? There's nothing.
It isn't heated.
Yeah, and maybe there are, but I don't feel them.
No.
It's very comfy and very warm. So if you like always want to camp but hate it because it gets super cold, I know that we're that way. We don't like camping because it gets super cold. We love camping, but we don't like that aspect of it. This is a great place to come. Zwier. Heated beds and a bell tent. It is finally 11:45-ish, and we are gonna attempt to go to the hot tub. It's very windy and it's kind of rainy,
And it's cold.
but we think it'll be an adventure. So let's go check it out. We made it. It's behind us. We can't see it right now, but we're gonna get in. I'm so excited. Success. And now we have to walk back all wet in the cold. Can we talk about our morning hair?
No.
We didn't sleep well, but it's not, I mean, it was the weather's fault. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's terrifying. We've decided to cut our trip a
a little short.
Yeah.
I think you can see why.
It's a little crazy.
The weather is a little much. It's hard for us to sleep, and it's no one's fault. It's just the weather.
I really want to come back when it's nice and warm and sunny.
Yes.
And enjoy all the things you can do here.
There's so
on the
many
water.
things you can do, and it's all included in the price, which is so worth it. Not only do you get 3 meals a day, you can take out the boat, you can use the hot tub. Was there bicycling? You can rent bicycles, subboards. I mean, come on, it's amazing. Perfect place to take your children. There's a really cool area for kids. You can take your dogs here.
Oh, yeah. Your pets.
We loved it. We highly recommend.
We will come back.
Yes.